If you're just getting started with artificial intelligence, one of the biggest questions is, which AI tools should I actually use? It seems like every week there's another AI app, another chatbot, or another website claiming to be the next big thing. The truth is, you don't need dozens of AI tools. You only need a handful of good ones that solve real problems. In this video, I'll show you some of the best free AI tools available in 2026, what each one does best, and when you should use them. These are beginner-friendly tools that can help you save time, learn faster, become more productive, and even spark new ideas. Let's get started. The first tool is probably the one you've heard about the most, ChatGPT. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you already know that ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI tools available today. Think of it as your everyday AI assistant. You can use it to write emails, brainstorm ideas, summarize articles, explain complicated topics, create travel plans, organize projects, generate recipes, and even help you learn new skills. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is that it's incredibly flexible. Instead of buying separate apps for every task, ChatGPT can help with hundreds of different things inside one conversation. The better your prompts become, the better your results become. That's why learning how to communicate with AI is such an important skill. The second tool is Google Gemini. Gemini works especially well if you already use Google services like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Workspace. Because it's connected to Google's ecosystem, it can become a useful assistant for everyday productivity. If you're someone who spends a lot of time using Google products, Gemini is definitely worth exploring. The third tool is Microsoft Copilot. If you use Windows or Microsoft 365, you've probably already noticed Copilot appearing in more places. Copilot is designed to help with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, writing, and general productivity. Many businesses are beginning to use Copilot as part of their daily workflow. If you're already comfortable with Microsoft Office, Copilot can feel like a natural extension of the software you already know. The fourth tool being used is Claude. Claude has become popular because many people like its conversational style. It's often praised for helping with writing, editing, brainstorming, and working through longer documents. Some users prefer Claude for creative writing, while others use it for research and detailed explanations. There's no rule saying you have to choose only one AI assistant. Many people use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot for different purposes depending on the task. The fifth tool is Perplexity. This tool has become popular because it combines AI with internet research. Instead of simply answering questions, it often provides sources that you can review yourself. That makes it especially useful when you're researching current events, comparing information, or looking for additional references. Even then, it's still a good idea to verify important information using trusted sources. Now, here's something important to remember. Don't get caught up chasing every new AI tool that gets released. New AI products appear almost every week. Some are excellent, some disappear within months. Instead of trying everything, focus on learning a few reliable tools really well. You'll become much more productive than someone constantly jumping from one app to another. Remember, the goal isn't to collect AI tools. The goal is to solve problems more efficiently. Let's continue with a few more AI tools that are worth exploring. Another excellent option is Canva AI. If you've ever wanted to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, YouTube thumbnails, or other visual content without being a professional designer, Canva AI can make the process much easier. It includes AI-powered features that can help generate images, suggest layouts, remove backgrounds, improve photos, and even assist with writing. For beginners, Canva has one of the easiest learning curves, making it a great choice for personal projects, small businesses, and content creators. Another tool that's becoming increasingly popular is NotebookLM. Think of NotebookLM as an AI research assistant. Instead of searching the entire internet, you provide your own documents, notes, PDFs, or other information, and it helps you organize, summarize, and understand that material. This can be especially useful for students, researchers, business owners, or anyone working with large amounts of information. Rather than replacing your thinking, it helps you work through information more efficiently. Now, here's an important question. How do you know which AI tool is right for you? The answer depends on what you're trying to accomplish. If you want an all-around AI assistant for everyday tasks, ChatGPT is an excellent place to start. If you spend most of your day using Google's products, Gemini may fit naturally into your workflow. If you're already working inside Microsoft Office, Copilot can become a valuable productivity partner. If you do a lot of writing or enjoy detailed conversations with AI, Claude is definitely worth trying. If you regularly research current topics and like seeing supporting sources, Perplexity offers a different experience that many people appreciate. And if you're creating graphics, presentations, or visual content, Canva AI can save you a tremendous amount of time. The good news is that many of these tools offer free versions. That means you don't need to spend money right away. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is paying for multiple AI subscriptions before they've learned how to use the free versions. My advice is simple. Start with one or two tools. Learn them well. Practice using them every day. Once you understand what they do best, you'll know whether paying for additional features is actually worth it. Another thing to remember is that no single AI tool is perfect. Each one has strengths. Each one has limitations. That's why many experienced users combine several tools depending on the task they're working on. As AI continues to improve, these tools will become even more capable. New features are being released regularly. Tasks that once took hours can now often be completed in minutes. That doesn't mean AI replaces human creativity or good judgment. It simply gives you better tools to work with. The people who benefit the most won't necessarily be the ones using the newest AI tool every week. They'll be the people who understand how to use a few reliable tools effectively. Learning AI isn't about memorizing every new app that appears. It's about developing practical skills that save time and make everyday work easier. If you're just beginning your AI journey, don't feel like you have to learn everything at once. Pick one tool, use it consistently, get comfortable with it, then gradually explore another. Small steps lead to big progress. Here's the biggest takeaway from this video. The best AI tool isn't always the newest one or the most expensive one. It's the one that helps you solve your problems more efficiently. Whether that's writing an email, creating content, organizing your day, researching information, or learning something new, AI should make your life easier, not more complicated. As technology continues to evolve, the opportunities to use AI will only continue to grow. The earlier you begin learning these tools, the more confident you'll become as they become part of everyday life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Ask Andy AI for more practical AI tips, beginner guides, and easy-to-understand tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.